What is state in React, and how is it different from props? In React, state and props are both mechanisms for managing data in a React application. State. State is a JavaScript object that represents the current or local data of a component. It is mutable and can be changed over time in response to user actions, network responses, or other events. State is private to a component and can only be accessed and modified within that component. State is initialized within the constructor of a class component or by using the useState hook in a functional component. It is important to use setState method for class components or the returnUpdater function for functional components using useState to update the state, ensuring that React can efficiently handle changes and trigger re-renders. Props. Props are the inputs to a React component. They are immutable and are passed down from a parent component to a child component. Props flow in a unidirectional manner from parent to child components. Components receive props as function parameters in functional components or as properties of the this.props object in class components. Props should not be modified within the component, they are read-only. Key differences. Mutability. State is mutable and can be changed using setState or the updater function. Props are immutable and should not be modified within the component. Scope. State is local and specific to the component where it is defined. Props are passed from parent to child components, creating a hierarchy where data is shared. Initialization. State is initialized within the component using the constructor for class components or the useState hook for functional components. Props are received from the parent component when the child component is instantiated. Direction of flow. State changes are managed internally within a component. Props are passed down from parent to child components. In summary, state is for managing local mutable data within a component, while props are for passing immutable data from parent to child components, enabling the composition of a React application.